another video with me. Today I'm going to the beach because it's really hot outside, and I said it would be nice if I would go in that refreshing water of your lake in Fort Pinta. So me and Lady are going there, and I'm gonna have a swim by myself, and I'm going also to have a swim with Lady. She had also once swam in the sea, but that was a long time ago, and I barely wait to see her reaction when she's back to the beach. As you can see, she's a little excited. I think she feels that. But yeah, let's go. So we just arrived here. Anyways, we arrived. Lady is really excited to go to the beach. As you can see, we left really early because we left at 6 a.m. Okay, it was a 2.5-hour drive. Now it's 8:30 a.m. And because we left that because it gets so hot in the day, it's like 35 degrees in the summer. It's just too much. And we wanted also the sea to be nice and cool because I heard that in the morning there aren't any waves and we can easily swim, because I don't know about you, but I don't really know how to swim a lot and I don't like wavy beaches. So yeah, anyways, it's time to tack up. And the most important thing, safety first. Don't forget your helmet. So as you can see, this is all, yeah, because I'm riding bareback today. And I got on my swimming shoes, yeah, and also my swimming pants that are good for riding because they are long, yeah, and my swimming shirt, of course, and my riding hat for now because safety first, guys. Don't forget your riding helmet. Alright, let's go. Alright, I haven't ridden bareback in a while. Okay. Come on, lady. Good girl. We can't canter. Or can we canter? Canter? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. That was hard. Okay, good girl. No more canter. I'm a bit scared with this canter in the water. But yeah, I like it. It's so cool. This is so relaxing. I love it. I definitely love it, and I will definitely come back. Come on. Alright, it's time to have a little splash. This is so cool. Good girl. I quickly dismounted to see these seashells because they're so cool. Have you seen them actually? These are so cool and I like collecting them. Wow. These are actually so cool. I like these seashells. Guys, do you see that? That's a shark. Guys, I have seen a shark right there. Whoa, easy. That's a shark. Oh, that's okay. Well, I guess the shark can't get at us because we're here, and that's, yeah, because they actually, beaches have exotic fishes and sharks and sea animals that you can see, but they actually can't get to because of a wooden thing, and that protects the people in the beach. But you can have a look at them. Whoa, easy. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. But she enjoyed it anyways. Alright, now she can have a drink. So she had a drink, and now I'm just gonna tie her somewhere, and I'm gonna go have a drink. This is so refreshing. Alright, time to swim. The water is so calm. I'm just swimming now. Wow, it's so beautiful out here. It's really fun. I like it a lot. I think I found some seashells somewhere. I already got some in my backpack. Yep. Alright, so I'm going to jump. Alright, I'm ready. So fresh. Wow. Now I'm just going to dry a little bit at the sun, and then I'm going to have a play with the lady. Alright, come on. Alright guys, so I had so much fun at the beach today, and I'll see you next time. Bye, have a nice day.